So I'm working on this gauge pod instrument cluster, and if you notice from the video, when I was going down the road, it was shaking quite a bit. So I thought the dampeners are probably worn out, and so took the fairing off, got in here, took the dampeners out, and here's the part. And none of the rubber seems to be broken, but it's really soft. So I was going to order some new ones from BMW, and there's actually two of them on the bike, but they're like $20 each. So you're talking about a $40 replacement part. So what I'm going to try and do is just trying to stiffen up the rubber a little bit. If you go to like a hardware store and you just get a dowel, and I think this is a 1/4-inch dowel, wooden dowel, and if I just cut it up into little pieces, I can fill in maybe every other hole, and that should stiffen up this rubber enough, this rubber mount, where I can get this from, stiffen it up and keep it from moving around and hitting the front fairing. So let me give that a try, and I'll come back after I've got it installed. Okay, so here's what I did. I took that dowel and I cut down little segments and I shoved them into these holes, and it seems to be a little stiffer. So let me go ahead and install this back on, and then see how it works. I did see some metal spacers that may work too, but the dowels were a lot cheaper, because that whole dowel was about $1 or $2 versus it's $1 per spacer. So if you have to do the metal spacers, you might as well just buy a replacement dampener. But let me go ahead and install these back on the bike, see how it works out.
Okay, so you can see that it's still shaking a little bit, but it's a lot better than it was before. So for the time being, I think I'm just going to leave it the way it is, but at some point I'll probably just bite the bullet and buy the replacement bushings from BMW. But for $2, that's a quick fix, and it's definitely not shaking so much that it's hitting any of the other plastics. Before it would hit the top of the windshield and hit the bottom of the handlebars and make quite a racket. But you can see here where I'm on a bumpy road that I was on last time. It's still moving around a little bit, but definitely a lot better than it was before. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.